Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get neural sensors in Warframe. Neural sensors are a common resource used for crafting Warframe component and mods. To farm neural sensor efficiently, start by going to Jupiter, go to Cameria, and select the Cameria Survival mission. This mission is good early game option for collecting neural sensor due to number of enemies that spawn over time. Enter the mission with a loot-focused Warframe such as Nekros to increase your resource yield. Nekros' Desecrate ability can significantly increase the number of drop, making it easier to obtain neural sensor. In this mission, you can quickly farm neural sensor by staying for a few minutes and defeating the enemies. If you play with a full squad of 4 players, you will get even more loot because more enemies will spawn. And that's it. We just learned how to farm neural sensors by running the Cameria Survival mission on Jupiter and how loot frames in a full squad can increase drop rates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.